So the answer to your question, is there a future for livestock in Europe, is yes. We need to produce the animal proteins that we are eating day in, day on. So that's very important. Second, we need to work together and reflect together on how we imagine, how we envision the future of livestock farming. And this is what we are going to do in the context of this strategic dialogue that the President of the European Commission has announced in her recent speech on the State of the Union. We are going to organize in different settings, with farmers, with the food industry, with cooperatives, with retailers, NGOs, scientists, exchange to make sure that we listen and we hear how people imagine the future of this sector. And this will inform our work when we are going to prepare the future EU policies, and in particular the future of the common agricultural policy. Livestock is essential at global level. This is, first of all, significant when it comes to the livelihood of many, many small farmers. We know also that with the development of different countries and regions in the world, people are eating more and more animal proteins. So it's very relevant also to look at the future also of livestock at global level and make sure that the way we develop this production in the world will be sustainable and resilient.